Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start with materials and a quick framework: pencil, eraser, blending stump, and paper. Lightly draw a circle for the jellyfish bell and mark the center and a 1/2 vertical axis to guide symmetry. Then place a shallow horizontal ellipse at the base to show tilt and perspective. This becomes the rim. Keep strokes loose and light so you can adjust shapes. Once done, you'll have a proportional guide to build volume and place tentacles accurately. Now you turn the guide into a 3-dimensional form by refining the bell into a dome and defining rim thickness. Add curvature lines to show volume and mark the top lighting direction so highlights make sense. Sketch 6 to 10 tentacles with varied lengths and widths, letting some overlap to imply depth. Block in major shadow planes under the bell, along the rim, and on the nearest tentacles. This gives instant 3D clarity. Make sure to erase construction lines that conflict with your final shapes. Finish by smoothing gradients on the dome with a blending stump while keeping the rim edge crisp so the form reads well. You should add translucent textures, faint inner striations, a soft glow near the top, and small reflective highlights to suggest wetness and translucency. Refine tentacles with tapering strokes and blend where they cross to cell depth. If the result looks flat, increase contrast or deepen the underside shadow by 20 to 30%.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.